Hello and welcome to the Office Superheroes channel. My name is Nicholas, and in this short video tutorial we're going to show you how to quickly and very easily turn negative numbers into positive numbers. So let's take a look at this together. Excel gives us a few ways to turn negative numbers into positive numbers. In this video, we're going to show 3 ways together. We can use the first 2 ways if we want to keep the original negative numbers in one column and we want to use the other column to get positive numbers. The third way will allow us to make a change in the same column. So let's do it. In the first step, we click on the cell where we want to have a positive number. We click on cell C3. We'll enter the equal sign. This is sort of a signal to Excel that we're going to write the formula. We click on the cell where we have a negative number and we want to change it to a positive number. For us, it's cell B3. We enter an asterisk. And now we'll put a minus sign and a number 1. The formula is complete. We press Enter. Excel immediately converts the number to positive. If we want to use this formula in other rows, we click on the cell where we have already written the formula. Drag its lower right corner to all the cells where we want to convert a negative number into a positive one. Excellent. Let's go back 2 steps and let's demonstrate the second way. This method is very fast. We're going to click on cell C3. We enter a positive number for the negative number that we have in cell B3. Let's go to cell C4. Press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+E. Now we have converted all the negative numbers to positive. Great. The last method we'll demonstrate is if we need to get the opposite numbers in a column that contains negative values. Let's go back 2 steps again. First, we need to choose an empty cell and enter the number -1 into it. We will copy the value -1. We mark the cells in which we have negative numbers and we want to change them to positive. We'll right-click, select, Paste Special. A window will appear. Select, Multiply. If we would like to keep the current style of borders, we select, All except borders. Click OK. Great, we are done. You can use this method to change negative numbers to positive in any table you will be working with. We're done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, let us know via a comment or like. If you are interested in other videos on how to quickly learn how to work with Excel, in that case, don't forget to subscribe. That's all for me. I'm Nicholas from Office Superheroes and I hope to see you in the next video.